The Vividia UM505 is a dual Wi-Fi and USB autofocusing microscope that is ideal for educational, industrial, or research applications. Also great for hobbies such as coin or stamp collecting. Works with smartphones and tablets, as well as Windows and Mac computers. Download the software and connect to your computer through your USB port. Connect to Apple iOS or Android devices by switching the selector to Wi-Fi. Choose the camera's Wi-Fi signal in your settings and open your app to view. Use the autofocusing feature to hone in on your subject quickly. Control the lighting, capture and save photos and videos. Pick up the Vividia UM505 autofocusing microscope today. Expand your vision and bring your work, research, and hobbies into focus. To purchase or for any questions about the Vividia UM505, please contact Oasis Scientific.